Hi, my name is Ravia, and today we're here to show you how to decorate gingerbread cookies. Gingerbread cookies is actually a very nice holiday cookie. Actually, you can actually bring the whole family together, entertain the family, keep them busy during the holidays when everybody's so busy doing their own little thing. Okay, I'm going to do a couple different ways. The first one, I'm going to dip the whole cookie and get a solid color on them. You actually dip the whole cookie in there and kind of scrape it down, get a nice even color to it. Eyes on the cookies. You can do a little smile on there. You can actually put some little feet on there. Some little gloves on there. And then you dip the whole cookie in there and scrape the excess sugar off. Kids will love doing these. People like to be the original gingerbread cookie. There you go. Something very different now. You don't have to do a lot. Try to use your imagination in making different decorations for your cookies. This is something very easy to do at home, keeps the whole family entertained, and very inexpensive to do actually. So you don't have to spend a lot of money, and it's very fun to do at home with all your kids.